All the trash talk I hear about Ohio has me wanting to explore Ohio a little bit more. I think I'm gonna go with the sandals. We are at Cuyahoga Valley National Park in Ohio. Yes, Ohio has a national park. I did not know that. We're going to Brandywine Falls. Let's go check it out. We have a map over here. Let's see, do we already have an idea what we're doing, honey?
Is the birthday house?
Let's see. Let's find out that you are here. Okay, we are here. So these are all highways, so you know what? Doesn't really show trail. Oh, here's a trail.
The loop is shorter.
Okay, this is the loop we're doing.
1 hour.
So this national park is just a little south of Cleveland. We stayed the night in Vermilion. I did not do any videos there really. I think I just made some video shorts. We actually have a couple Ohio videos previous to this. So in fact, I think my last video was Leo Petroglyph. Very cool spot. And then some years ago during COVID, we were in Hocking Hills. Strongly suggest that for fall and winter. Very cool, like frozen ice formations, waterfalls, caves, and all that kind of cool stuff. But here we go. We're gonna start our trail. Let's see what she's got going on here. Oh, look at this.
What are these?
Awesome. I love these. I want one.
Oh. We got a table here on misunderstood animals. So we got a coyote, the honeybee, bats, and opossums here.
Okay. Do you mind if I go like this? Will you like?
No,
not like?
that's
Okay.
you're good.
Yeah. All right. We'll go like this. Yeah.
Coyotes, we love coyotes. They help clean up our roadway. Honeybees, they pollinate about 70% of our crops.
All right. Thank you. All right, that's like the educational side. Oh, careful.
The Stanford Trail.
So you want to see the falls?
Because this is closer, but is it
Yeah.
interesting more?
So the falls is right there. If you wanted to do the trail to it, you could.
All right, that's like the educational part of our vlog here. But let's carry on. We're on the Brandywine Falls trail here. Nice easy boardwalk. Kind of didn't need my sandals, but I think I need these right now. These are more comfortable than those other shoes. Wow, look at that. Way down there.
Don't care for hiking.
Yeah, so this one's more direct to the falls. Really easy. We can maybe do the other trail, but time permitting, because soon we shall go over to Sandusky and check out the Bay area. And we're on Lake Erie, so always exploring the Great Lakes. All right. Hello. I don't know what to do. Maybe just go this way first. I don't know.
Maybe that's the upper area. That's the lower.
I hear the waterfall. Here we go. Here's the lookout. Looks like right here. There we go. Wow, that's a big waterfall. There's some other views over here, so we're gonna go. I want to see if we can get a little closer to the water. And I've been having like tinnitus in my right ear for some time now. It's getting better, but these things also help. I've been doing sound therapy too at night and sometimes during the day. There's certain sounds that help. There's on YouTube. There's YouTube channels just entirely devoted to that. On called masking or trapping the tinnitus. Kind of match like the frequency you're hearing, but in a more soothing way. But anyhow, I'm not going to go on and on about that, but like the sound of these waterfalls are really helpful. Look at that, you can just see this looks beautiful here, right here. Wow. Yeah, I can't even hear my tinnitus now in my right ear. Perfect. I was explaining a little bit. All the way down there. So it goes off that way and down this way. So I think we can get over to that spot and check that out. I'd really love to get down at the bottom there, would be cool, but I'm not going to be able to do that here. Okay. There's a tunnel over here. Looks like, oh, it's like a bicycle trail, I think. Let's see from up here. We're on a bridge now. Wow, big slab of rock.
This will be good with your drone.
Yeah, that's an unfortunate thing. I am without a drone. Went disconnected, had a little propeller issue. Still kind of unknown about my drone. I really feel like I'm missing a part of myself. It's sad, but soon, maybe not so soon, we'll get something else. I'm trying to make a decision on the next purchase. Before I go to Indonesia in December, that's when she says it's the right time to buy one, I guess. We're gonna wait for Black Friday, I guess. November, end of November, perhaps. And then I'll have one just in time for Indonesia. So a nice little picnic area here. Someone's home over here. Right, just nestled into the national park. Gonna head to the visitor center later. I just came straight here because I wanted to get right to the waterfall. Instead of getting the national park passport, we just collect the brochures with the maps and kind of cataloging them. Something that we've been doing because we never purchased that national park passport at the right time. You know, it was already like too late, and I didn't want to be missing all the stamps and all that, and so I decided why not just keep all the brochures with the information and the maps. It's actually more useful, I think, to have that. Can sit people down and show it to them, and like kind of they can see some things for themselves then. Yeah, and I especially like maps. I just like having maps. Kind of a map collector, really. Whoa. So I think this is some sort of place to visit, it looks like, because there's a parking lot there. Look at that. Let's check out this scarecrow. Wow. Interesting. I honestly don't know where we're going now. We're going away from the waterfall, and I wanted to go down closer to it. But we're gonna walk this way anyways. Okay, so this is a 3/4 mile loop. So this is like part of the Stanford Trail then that we bypassed earlier. But I think it still takes us to like a loop to the falls. 3/4 mile. What do you think?
Yeah,
let's do it. We might as well do this because it's instead of double back, you know. Hello, how are you? Wonderful. Thank you. Gnarly roots everywhere. Oh, look at that big shard of rock coming out there. Amy's, of course, getting the selfies, doing her most important duty. I'm gonna walk out to here. I do not like heights. This is terrifying for me. I can't even walk there. This is absolutely terrifying. I wonder how, like, let's look over here. Let's see how thick this is. Well, it looks pretty sturdy. No way I walk the edges though. I get vertigo. On we go. Because I think they put this here to keep it from kind of water or keep it intact here, part of the trail. I don't know. So far, all the things we found in Ohio while passing through we keep coming back here and finding more and more to check out. We love hiking, we love nature, and I tell you, that Vermilion, cool little town. You know, I might like just throw a little video of it in here. All right, here we go. Well, yeah, 3/4 mile, and it's not like a straight, easy trail. This is a little bit rugged. It's moderate. I mean, it's not like difficult, but it's still like there's parts that slow you down. It's not like a bike trail, so. Yes. Tree down. Very cool.
Yeah, it's showing me. So there's the side.
Oh, look at that. This is cool. Let's like get in here and check this out. Let's do an inspection. Little tree inspection. Look at that in there. Wow. So far, no mosquitoes, which is nice. Love listening to the sound. The crickets, too, are good for the tinnitus, or is it tinnitus? Keep hearing different pronunciations as I've been researching it. Tinnitus, tinnitus. And going to an ENT is pointless. Just saying. Alright, gotta keep an eye on my feet. And yes, I wear socks with my sandals. Kind of goofy, I know, but less stinky. Okay. It's craggly. Look at all the pine over there. Go check out the river here. wonder if we can swim here. Although I didn't, swimming stuff's in the car. To kind of like come here with in your suit already, I think. Ah, this looks amazing. Looks perfect for swimming. Kind of like swimming, maybe more like lounging. Look at that. Oh, that's awesome.
Clear.
Super clear. Look at this. Super clear, clean. Over there, probably good to actually get all the way in. Just swim a bit. Ah, I would have loved to just been wearing my suit. Ow. Would have poked my toe on something sharp. Look at that. Lovely. Alright, so, well, we're not swimming. Although, I would love to, but we're going to just keep heading down the trail. And I want to make my way back to the falls to see if we can get like lower down and a better view there too. Let's go. Okay, I think we'll make a stop here though and check out some of the rocks. Not that we can collect any here at the national park, but excuse me. Let's see these rocks here.
Touch the water.
That's the water.
Oh, it's fresh.
Fresh and clean.
It's swimmable times.
This is beautiful. Oh, I saw just a little fish go by. Little fish went that way. Tiny one or something like one. Oh, there's a little minnow. There's little tiny minnows, babe.
What is it?
Little tiny fish, little minnows, you know.
Oh yeah, wow.
Yeah, see a bunch down here.
I just don't see the minnows. No.
Yeah, they're moving around quite a bit. Okay, back on the trail again. Back we go. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, a little snackaroo.
Yep, snack break.
Nice. I think I need a snack. We have our own homemade tamales in the car. We bring a little heater that we can plug in into our car. I got like a nice little outlet set up. And we've got our homemade blue corn tamales dialed in recently. And they've become a very important part of our road trip. I'm talking about tamales.
Tamales!
I saw them eating a snack and now I think it makes me want a snack. Although I had a pretty big breakfast at the hotel. We are currently using our IHG points for our hotel stays that we have built up. One of the ways that we kind of travel for cheap or have free stays is she decides on what cards to use with the rewards. Use them for necessities, bills and whatnot. Pay it off and then you get your hotel stays that way. Not a bad idea. They say that the parking lot's this way. We'll find out. That it gets kind of steep though. We'll give it a go and see. If not, then we go take a trail that goes off to this way. It's getting steeper a tad bit. Looks rough too. I can see why they did not want to bicycle back up this way. Wow, look at this. This gave way. Let's see, I should go up that way. So this gave way here, look at this. Hopefully no sinkholes. This looks like it's about to. Wow. All right, let's just keep going a little bit. It's steep and rough, but I think doable. I hope this goes to the parking lot. I hope she's correct. Wow, this is really just falling apart. I think just up that high and that would be it. We'll go there and see, take a look and see what it looks like. Wow, this really just is falling apart. It's like a little miniature canyon. Wow. All the way up, we have this little crevice going through. It keeps going. Some people are coming, so I'm gonna ask them. All right, when in doubt. It says trailhead is just like we're almost there. Oh, we will be close though. We get to this little section, this little intersection, we're gonna make a left. I was talking to those two familiar faces, mom and daughter, and they came out this way. And I think if we just go this way, so they came from here and made their left. So I think we just go this way. We have very little to go. Well, I made it. We'll see if Henny's gonna listen to me. She should be coming up this way soon. But yeah, I knew right where I was going, and then I went ahead and checked just on the Google Maps when all else fails. Sometimes, not always, sometimes you can trust Google. But yeah, I kind of knew where I was. And then I can see on the map that we were just kind of behind, came out, kind of originally not knowing where we were, but then I can see, oh, we're like right behind where we came in at the trailhead parking lot, right behind me here. Yep, so we're good to go. That was fun. No mosquito repellent, and not a single mosquito bite, that is. So yeah, it was a decent hike. But now I actually want to go back down the boardwalk again and just come back. We're just going to go right around the waterfall, stay kind of right around the waterfall, and see if I can get like a little lower down, get some other shots, some other waterfall scenery. Yeah, we're gonna go see again, babe. Here she is. She listened to me. Okay, back on the boardwalk. Just one more glimpse of the waterfall. This time we go down. Stone. Layers and layers. This here. Oh, cool spider web there. I don't know if anybody's living in there. Hello. Knock knock. Want to come out and play? I love spiders. Look in here. Anybody in here? I like both spiders and snakes. I don't mind them. Beautiful creatures. No graffiti either. I like Ohio. You know, Illinois state parks have graffiti everywhere. Starved Rock, Matheson, graffiti everywhere. And not even cool looking graffiti, not tasteful. This is untouched. No one's done graffiti here. Just nature's leaving its mark here. This is like calcium or something, I think, huh? Look at the beautiful ferns growing through. Oh, look at a little bug. Spider web. Very cool. Yeah, nice and clean.
There's the camp.
Oh, we got a much better view here. Much better view. Look at that. Let's make our way down. Oh, this lady's doing so good going down. But she's gonna have to go back up. I hope they realize that. No escalator. No elevator. Okay. Gonna do my sound therapy for my tinnitus or tinnitus. Which is it, A or B? We'll say A is tinnitus, B is tinnitus. I think they say in the north they always say tinnitus and tinnitus in the south, and then I hear the British always say tinnitus. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not sure. Oh, she's a trooper down there. That's a real beauty. I think maybe I can get a better thumbnail here. Okay. Hold on, let's see. Okay. Battery's running low, so I think over and out. Figure out something else to do for today. See you.